2010 Crosstour comes in with the check engine light. Test drive felt fine. See codes 305, 306, and 300. 305 was set at a cold idle, and the light's been on for 150 miles. And whoa, charging is crazy. How'd I miss that on the drive? Operating temp is good, and misfires, I see cylinder 5, but doesn't explain 306 or 300. Bank 2 fuel trims are 7 to 9% more negative than bank 1. Compared to known good at idle looks good. Going deeper, we see cylinder 5 misfire happens at cold idle, and at the same time bank 2 goes a bit rich, and bank 1 spikes lean a little. And a rich misfire points to mechanical valve sealing, injectors, or an air fuel sensor. Not ignition. But I am not touching this thing until this electrical storm is handled. I guarantee you it will turn into a cinch-u. Customer can only afford alternator, but no further diag at this time.
Am I ready?